Welcome to a world where nature and technology beautifully intertwine. This is not just simple agriculture, it is a massive industrial revolution driven by absolute precision. From the high altitudes of Ecuador to the lowlands of Holland, these landscapes are the birthplaces of billions of wonders that will soon travel across the globe. Every single bloom begins its life under the watchful eye of science. Here, we witness the perfect balance between organic growth and the power of human innovation. This billion-dollar industry transforms a simple seed into a masterpiece. Artificial suns and controlled climates ensure that every petal reaches its maximum potential without any environmental stress. As the artificial dawn breaks within these glass walls, the machines awaken. These robotic assistants are the silent guardians of the world's most delicate and valuable crops. Human expertise remains at the core, guiding the technology to ensure quality. It is a symphony of biological understanding and mechanical efficiency working together in perfect harmony. In this environment, timing is everything. The synchronization of nature is carefully managed to meet the demands of a global market that never sleeps or slows down. This is the heart of the flower world. Thousands of hectares under glass, where the climate is manipulated to create an eternal spring for the most beautiful flowers. Even in this high-tech world, the fundamental laws of nature are respected. Biological pest control and natural pollination methods ensure a sustainable and healthy growth for every plant. The scale of production is truly staggering. Millions of units move through these corridors every day, each one tracked and monitored by a central digital nervous system. We are entering a new era of floral engineering. Every data point collected helps us refine the process, making it more efficient, sustainable, and capable of producing perfection. At the root of this success is data. Specialized sensors embedded in the soil provide real-time feedback on nutrient levels, ensuring each plant gets exactly what it needs. AI acts as the brain of the operation, analyzing thousands of variables simultaneously. It makes micro-adjustments to the environment that would be impossible for any human to manage. Precision irrigation systems deliver moisture with surgical accuracy. This fine mist creates the ideal humidity, mimicking the natural dew of a tropical forest inside an industrial warehouse. Robotic transporters navigate the facility with ease, moving heavy loads without human intervention. These machines ensure that the flow of production never stops, day or night. Early detection is key to maintaining quality. AI-driven cameras scan every leaf and petal, identifying potential issues before they can spread to the rest of the crop. Behind every vibrant color is a laboratory dedicated to genetics. Scientists work to develop stronger, more resilient varieties that can withstand the long journey to international markets. Light is the fuel of life, and here it is optimized. By manipulating the light spectrum, growers can accelerate growth or delay blooming to perfectly match market trends. Airflow is critical for preventing fungal growth and strengthening stems. Massive automated fans create a gentle breeze, ensuring the air remains fresh and the plants stay robust. Every millimeter matters. Robots ensure that each plant has the space it needs to grow, preventing crowding and ensuring that every bloom receives a perfect share of light. Hydroponic systems eliminate the need for traditional soil, reducing waste and increasing growth rates. This sterile environment provides a direct pipeline of nutrients to the thirsty roots. The entire farm is visualized in real time. Managers can see exactly where the plants are thriving and where they might need a little extra attention or nutrients. Maintenance is now a task for automation. These pruning robots are programmed to recognize exactly what to remove, keeping the plants healthy without the risk of human error. Sustainability is built into the architecture. Rainwater harvesting and water recycling systems ensure that these massive operations have a minimal impact on local water supplies. By looking at light reflections, AI can see what the human eye cannot. It detects nutrient deficiencies days before they become visible, allowing for proactive care. Augmented reality assists the human workforce. Workers can see digital data overlays that tell them exactly when a specific flower is ready for the next stage of growth. Specialized chambers allow for the preservation of rare genetics. This biological bank ensures that the diversity of the flower world is protected for future generations of growers. Efficiency is found in the smallest movements. Automated sorting tables organize the plants into groups, ensuring that those with similar needs are kept together for optimal care. Carbon dioxide enrichment supercharges the growth process. By carefully controlling the atmospheric mix, these greenhouses can achieve growth rates that are impossible in the natural world. Even when the sun goes down, the work continues. The artificial glow of the greenhouse is a beacon of modern productivity, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Harvesting is the moment of truth. High-precision lasers now replace traditional shears, providing a clean cut that seals the stem and preserves the flower's freshness longer. Soft robotics technology allows machines to handle delicate living tissue. These grippers mimic the gentle touch of a human hand, ensuring not a single petal is bruised. The speed of mechanical harvesting is unmatched. What once took a team of workers several days can now be completed in a matter of hours with perfect consistency. Every cut is calculated. The robot analyzes the stem's thickness and orientation, choosing the optimal path to ensure the flower remains healthy during its long journey ahead. The flow from field to factory is seamless. As soon as a flower is cut, it is placed on a high-speed transit system to minimize its time out of water. Remote monitoring allows a single operator to oversee the entire harvest. If a machine encounters an obstacle, the operator can intervene instantly from a central control hub. Automation handles the tedious tasks of cleaning and preparation. These machines are designed to be thorough yet incredibly gentle, preserving the natural beauty of each bloom. In slow motion, the engineering marvel becomes clear. The speed and accuracy of the blades are a result of decades of research into mechanical harvesting technology. Heavy lifting is no longer a human burden. Robots handle the physical strain of moving thousands of trays, reducing the risk of injury and increasing overall throughput. Speed and precision go hand in hand. These machines can process thousands of flowers every hour, maintaining a level of consistency that a human worker simply couldn't. The processing facility is a choreographed dance of color. Every movement is optimized to ensure the flowers spend as little time as possible in the open air. Even the most difficult tasks are automated. Removing thorns is done with mechanical precision, preparing the roses for safe handling by florists and customers around the world. Protection begins immediately after the harvest. Each stem is treated with a specialized solution that hydrates the flower and prevents the growth of harmful bacteria during transport. Even the art of arrangement is becoming automated. Robots can now create complex and beautiful bouquets with the same speed and accuracy as a master florist. Human quality control provides the final check. Even with the best technology, the human eye is still used to ensure the highest standards of beauty are met. The harvest never truly stops. As one machine recharges, another takes over, ensuring a continuous supply of fresh flowers for the global market throughout the year. Selecting the right moment to harvest is critical. AI algorithms analyze the color and shape of the bud to ensure it is picked at its peak moment. Cleanliness is vital for export. Gentle air jets ensure that every flower is free from any external particles, meeting the strict phytosanitary standards of international borders. The cold chain begins the moment the flower is separated from its root. Chilled water and cool environments preserve the flower's energy, slowing down its natural aging. Traceability is integrated into every step. Every bundle is tagged with a digital identity, allowing it to be tracked from the greenhouse to the final customer's hands. This is industrial-scale beauty. The sheer volume of flowers processed here is a testament to the power of automation in meeting the world's desire for natural elegance. Packaging starts with protection. High-speed machines wrap each bloom in a protective sleeve, preventing damage during the high-speed sorting and boxing processes that follow immediately after. The flowers are on their way to the most critical stage, classification. Only the most perfect specimens will make it to the premium markets of the world. Welcome to the matrix of color. Inside this dark chamber, high-speed cameras capture every detail of a flower's appearance under intense, specialized lighting conditions. Computer vision software analyzes thousands of images per second. It checks for symmetry, color depth, and the slightest imperfections that might disqualify a flower from top-tier status. Dimensions are measured with sub-millimeter accuracy. This ensures that every bouquet contains flowers of identical size, creating the uniform look demanded by high-end floral retailers. The classification happens in real time. Fast-acting mechanical arms flick the flowers into separate channels, instantly grouping them by quality, length, and color variety. Nothing escapes the AI's gaze. Even a microscopic bruise or a slight discoloration on a petal is detected, ensuring that only flawless flowers reach the luxury market. The sorting hall is a spectacle of organized color. Each lane represents a different grade, destined for different markets, from local supermarkets to elite wedding planners. Consistency is the key to customer satisfaction. By grouping identical specimens together, the automation ensures that every consumer receives a product that meets their exact expectations. The degree of bloom is a critical factor. Some markets prefer tight buds for longevity, while others want open flowers for immediate display and impact. Infrared technology monitors the hydration of every stem. It can detect a thirsty flower long before it begins to wilt, allowing it to be redirected for treatment. For the most fragile species, even mechanical paddles are too harsh. Puffs of air are used to guide these delicate blooms, ensuring they remain untouched by any hard surfaces. Precision requires constant calibration. Technicians ensure that the cameras see colors exactly as they are, maintaining the integrity of the grading process every single day. The speed is dizzying. In the time it takes to blink, the system has already photographed, analyzed, and sorted 10 individual flowers with total and absolute certainty. Flowers that don't meet the grade aren't wasted. Many are sent for processing into oils, perfumes, or organic compost, ensuring every part of the plant is used. Grade A specimens receive the premium treatment. Their journey is one of luxury, destined for high-end florists in cities like London, Paris, and Tokyo. Weight is a critical factor for shipping. Automated scales ensure that every box is within the limits, optimizing the cost and efficiency of the upcoming air transport. The entire process is a data-driven operation. By analyzing the flow of flowers, managers can identify bottlenecks and optimize the system for even greater efficiency. For the most exclusive varieties, laser etching provides a unique fingerprint. This allows high-end customers to verify the origin and authenticity of their rare and expensive blooms. Packing is as precise as sorting. Robots stack the boxes with geometric perfection, ensuring maximum stability for the long and often turbulent journey across the world's oceans. Final verification is still a human touch. A quick scan of the barcode ensures that the digital data matches the physical reality inside every single shipping container. Moisture management is key to survival. Specialized papers and gels are used to keep the stems hydrated without encouraging the growth of rot or harmful mold. Sanitation is the final step of the shift. Automated cleaning systems ensure that the facility remains sterile, preventing any cross-contamination between different batches of flowers. The result of this complex technology is simple beauty. A perfect bouquet, uniform and vibrant, ready to bring a touch of nature into someone's home or special event. With the quality check complete, the flowers are ready for their next adventure. The journey from the greenhouse to the customer is about to enter its most intense phase. The race against time begins now. Pallets are secured and sealed, creating a microenvironment that will protect the flowers as they leave the safety of the warehouse. The cold chain is a life support system. Maintaining a precise temperature of 2 degrees Celsius is essential to keep the flowers in a state of dormant perfection. Loading is a fast-paced operation. Every minute spent on the loading dock is a minute away from the cooling systems that keep these delicate products alive and fresh. The Aalsmeer auction is the world's largest. Here, hundreds of trucks gather every night to distribute flowers that will reach every corner of the globe within hours. It is a wall of color and commerce. Thousands of transactions occur every second as buyers from around the world bid on the freshest harvests available anywhere. The Dutch auction system is unique. The price starts high and drops until someone buys, ensuring that the entire inventory is sold quickly to maintain maximum freshness. Flowers are the most time-sensitive cargo in the world. High-speed aircraft are the only way to connect the fields of Ecuador and Holland with consumers in New York. The global network is vast. Within 24 hours, a rose cut in the Andes can be on sale in a boutique in the heart of Tokyo's Ginza district. Logistics is the unsung hero of the flower industry. Every person in this chain works to ensure that the beauty of nature is never compromised by distance. Vacuum cooling is a critical technology. It removes heat from the very center of the flower bundles, ensuring that the cooling is uniform and incredibly fast for shipping. International borders require digital precision. Automated custom systems verify that each shipment meets the health and safety regulations of the destination country within seconds of arrival. The distribution centers are the hubs of the operation. These high-tech facilities manage the flow of millions of stems, ensuring they are directed to the right markets. Innovation extends to the final mile. New packaging designs include built-in hydration, allowing flowers to survive the final delivery to a customer's doorstep in perfect condition. The journey ends with a personal touch. After thousands of miles and dozens of high-tech interventions, the flower finally reaches its destination, ready to bring joy. The emotional impact is immediate. All the technology and engineering are worth it for this single moment of human connection and appreciation for natural beauty. Freshness is the ultimate proof of success. A flower that lasts for 2 weeks in a vase is the direct result of a perfectly managed global supply chain. The global industry allows for year-round creativity. Florists can now source any flower at any time, regardless of the local season, thanks to the miracle of logistics. The market is dynamic and connected. Technology links the price at the local shop directly to the supply and demand at the major international flower auctions. In our busy urban lives, these flowers are a vital link to the natural world. They provide a sense of calm and beauty in the middle of our cities. The cycle never stops. As one shipment is delivered, the next is already being harvested, processed, and prepared for its own incredible journey across the globe. The precision of the industry ensures a quality that was once impossible. Every flower is a standard bearer for the success of modern agricultural technology and design. As day turns to night, the work continues in the greenhouses. The sun may set, but the artificial environment remains perfect, ensuring the continuous growth of beauty. The future of flowers is being written in the lab. We are developing new varieties that are not only more beautiful, but also more sustainable and environmentally friendly. Vertical farming will revolutionize the industry again. By growing flowers in layers, we can bring production even closer to the cities, further reducing the carbon footprint of transport. Even pollination is evolving. Robotic drones may one day support natural bees, ensuring that our ecosystems remain healthy and productive in a changing world. The industry is moving towards zero waste. New, biodegradable materials are replacing plastics, ensuring that the beauty of the flower doesn't come at the cost of the planet. Renewable energy is the new standard. Greenhouses are becoming power plants, using solar and geothermal energy to create a truly carbon-neutral floral industry for the future. The ultimate goal remains the same: to inspire wonder. No matter how much technology we use, the core experience is the simple joy of a child with a flower. Technology allows us to grow beauty where it was never possible before. We are expanding the boundaries of nature, turning deserts into gardens through the power of innovation. From lilies to orchids, from roses to tulips, the variety is endless. Each one is a unique miracle made possible by the dedication of millions of people worldwide. The digital twin technology allows us to test and optimize everything before it happens in reality. It is the ultimate tool for efficiency and risk management in farming. We are uncovering the secrets of plant life. Every discovery allows us to better understand and support the natural processes that create such incredible beauty for us to enjoy. Flowers bring people together. The industrial scale of the industry supports the local scale of our communities, making beauty accessible to everyone, everywhere, at any time. Logistics will continue to evolve. Autonomous drones will soon handle the delivery of supplies and even the flowers themselves, making the entire system faster and more efficient. This journey is a testament to human collaboration. When science and nature work together, we can achieve results that are truly greater than the sum of their parts. Technology does not diminish the beauty of nature, it amplifies it. It allows us to share these wonders with the entire world, preserving the elegance of the natural world. The journey of these flowers is a testament to our ingenuity and our desire for beauty. Thank you for joining us on this incredible and colorful journey.